This is perfectly pronounced, and today we are looking at how to pronounce this technology word. The word comes from French and originally meant to hide. In technology, it is a temporary storage that helps computers and apps load information faster. The proper way to pronounce it is cache. Some people pronounce it incorrectly like cache, but that is not right. The correct way to say it is cache. Pretty simple as it looks. Cache. Clearing the browser cache helped the website load properly. Repeat after me. Cache. Cache. If you enjoyed this pronunciation lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech words and check out our playlists. See you in the next video.